Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Sarah 24/7. My name is Amanchot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the principles and practices of banking, the selection series. Okay, so in which we are going to discuss the 10 questions regarding the principles and practices of banking subject. So before starting the session, do let me know, am I audible to all of you? Audio is okay, video is okay. Are we good to go? So do let me know in the comment section, is everything okay, so that I will be continuing the session. And before continuing the session, those candidates who are live in the session right now, do make sure you have shared the session on the Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups wherever you are linked with the people who are preparing for the same exam. Okay, so do not forget to share the session. And do not forget to subscribe the channel Officer Sarah 24/7, because on this particular channel you will get all the videos regarding your preparation of the JAIIB as well as CAIIB, both preparation, recording video, strategies video, conceptual classes, and the practice classes will be available on this particular YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, so do let me know, are we good to go? Good evening Nagarjun, good evening Raisha, good evening Sri Rama, good evening Kamneshwara, Rajan, good evening. Pushpendra, good evening. So do let me know, am I audible to all of you? And before coming to the topic, one important information for all of you is that right now 81% off was going on all the products of the Adda 24/7 Officer Adda, that is related to the JAIIB, CAIIB and Bank Promotion exam. And but now today is the last day, because we know today is the last day of the festival. So Diwali festival is coming to the end. Today is the Bhai Dooj and this is the last day of the festival. So the offer is going to be soon ended by the mid 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. So do make sure, if you are waiting for this particular offer, do not wait anymore. This is the last chance to get the 81% discount, and the biggest price drop is already going on. So you will get the biggest price drop prices with the 81% off and with the double validity on all the Maha packs. So if you are waiting, so this is the right time to enroll in the particular product. Okay, so by using the code Y496, you will get the discount of 81% plus double validity at the biggest price drop. Okay, now apart from that, these are the batches which are going to start from today onwards. The PPB, AFB, LRB 600 case study batch going to start today, and from 31st October, English medium PPB, AFB, LRB case study batch is going to start. So to enroll in any of these batch, you can use the code Y496 and you will get 81% discount here. Apart from that, a bilingual batch will cover your content in English, but the explanation will be bilingual. So do make sure, if you are comfortable with the bilingual explanation, then do join the bilingual batch. Otherwise, the English medium batch is available for all of you. Here, 600 case study will be discussed with all the three subjects. Next. Right now, the MCQ batch is already going on. 3000 MCQ plus previous year questions plus case study batch is going on, in which you will get unlimited practice of questions. And as we know, when you practice 3000 questions of all the three subjects, now there is nothing left in the syllabus that you will leave before going to the exam. So this is the batch which is already going on from the 10th of October. By enrolling, to enroll here, you can use the code Y496. And if you are looking for the test series, so test series is another important part. First of all, whenever you are preparing for JAIIB and CAIIB exam, the first step is conceptual clarity. After having the conceptual clarity, you have to go with the revision. And after doing once revision, you have to give the practice test. So these are the practice tests available for the JAIIB. Individual subject and combined practice tests are available. To enroll, you can use the code Y496S. Okay. Now let's start today's class, that is 21st class of our selection series. So let's start with the first question, that is talking about name the account that is maintained with Reserve Bank of India in which government securities are held. So which of the particular account is here in which we are maintaining government securities with Reserve Bank of India? Is it Nostro account? Is it Vostro account? Is it subsidiary general account? Is it escrow account? So which of the following will be the right answer? A, B, C or D? And always mention the question number when you are answering the question. Okay, do not forget to mention the question number here. So A, B, C or D, which of the following will be correct? And do make sure those candidates who are live in the session do share the session, so that maximum people will be joining us shortly. Okay, first is C. Everyone is going with the C option, that is subsidiary general account, SGL. Okay, and that is correct. Right answer is subsidiary general account. That is subsidiary general ledger account. C option is correct. Now, all if we want to maintain a government securities, we can maintain the reserve with the Reserve Bank of India account. That account is known as subsidiary general account. So, subsidiary general account, subsidiary general ledger account is the type of account in which government securities will be held with the Reserve Bank of India. Right answer will be C. If we talk about the Nostro account, what is Nostro account? Nostro account is a type of account in which the Indian bank is having a bank account in the foreign bank. So when the Indian bank have bank account in the foreign bank, that bank account of Indian bank is known as the Nostro account. So when Indian bank have a bank account in the foreign bank in foreign currency in the foreign country, that will be known as Nostro account. When foreign bank have a bank account in Indian bank in Indian currency and in India, that will be known as your Vostro account. Now escrow account is also known as your third party account. When bank is having a third party account between the two persons who are in the contract, who are in the agreement, and bank help them to complete that particular agreement, that is known as escrow account. Okay. Yes, you can say Nostro account is our account with you, Vostro account is your account with us, and Loro account is their account with them. So these are the three types of account in which banks are maintaining account with each other. Okay. Next, second question is talking about the idea or image of a specific product or service, the idea or image of a specific product or service that consumers connect with by identifying the name, the logo, the slogan, or design of a company who owns the idea or image is referred to as. So, what we are talking about here, we are talking that the idea or image of a specific product or the service that consumer connect to. Like if I am knowing a certain particular product, so I know that particular product with the name of the product, the name of the company, with the logo of the company, with the slogan of the company, or with the design of the company. So I know I whenever I see the image, whenever I see the logo of Apple, it means that's the Apple company. Okay. So if I will be understanding, I will be able to identify that which company is it, which product is it. So that all depends on which of the following. Is it a product loyalty? Is it a product differentiation? Is it a product positioning? Or is it a product branding? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Okay. So maximum are going with the D and that is correct. That is known as the product branding. So the name, logo, slogan, design, all these comes under the product branding of the product. Okay, so right answer will be D. Very good. Next. Which of the following regulation pair does not match each other? So we know there are certain regulatory bodies in our country. When we talk about the regulatory bodies, we have RBI, SEBI, ADA, PFRD, etc. So the question is asking that which of the following pair does not match with each other of the regulation. First is saying regulation of insurance market by ADA. Second is saying regulation of capital market by SEBI. Third is saying regulation of money market by RBI. Fourth is saying regulation of forex market by SEBI. So which of the following is not the correct match? Which of the following is not a correct match? A, B, C or D? Okay. So maximum are going with the D option, that is forex market with SEBI. So right answer will be your D because the forex market is regulated by RBI, not by SEBI. So this is not the right match of the regulation pair. The insurance market will be regulated by ADA, capital market regulated by SEBI, money market regulated by RBI, forex market also regulated by RBI. So right answer will be your D option. Okay, next. Currently under MSF, the eligible entities may borrow up to dash of their respective NDTF outstanding at the end of the second presiding fortnight. So what percentage is it? Is it a 1.5%, 2%, 0.5% or 3%? And also let me know what is the full form of MSF. What is the full form of MSF? Okay. What are you saying, Raisha? ED was, what is ED? Forex में ED का क्या role? What are you asking? Do repeat your question again. So the question is asking what percentage of the respective NDTL will be taken as a loan from the Reserve Bank of India by the scheduled commercial banks for overnight duration under the MS. 1.5, 2%, 0.25% or 3%. Okay. Fourth is 2%. In the time of At the time of pandemic, it was increased to 3%. In the pandemic, it was increased to the 3%, but now again it is reduced by the Reserve Bank of India, and NETL's 2% loan can be taken by the banks under the MSF, that is marginal standing facility. And right now the marginal standing facility is 6.15% that the scheduled commercial banks have to pay to RBI when they are taking overnight loan from the RBI, and that loan will be taken from the SLR portfolio. That's why this loan will be available after at the end of the second presiding fortnight. It means from 15 to last day of a month, MSF will give you the loan. Okay, next, a bank guarantee is treated by the bank as dash liability. So what type of liability the bank guarantee will be treated? Is it a standard liability? Is it a contingent liability? Is it an outstanding liability? Or is it a hidden liability? So when we talk about the bank guarantee is a non-fund based credit facility provided by a bank, in which bank takes the guarantee of the borrower to provide the funding, to provide the payment to the seller or to the lender. So right answer will be your B. That is correct. It's a contingent liability. The bank guarantee is treated by the bank as the contingent liability. Okay, it is unpredictable liability. There is a chance that in future it became the liability for the bank. Okay, or bank have to pay by itself. One more important thing, bank guarantee will be only active if the borrower defaults. Otherwise, bank guarantee will not be active. So bank guarantee is applicable or is useful when the customer, it means the borrower, defaults and not paying money of the lender. In that situation, bank step into and bank will give the loan or bank will give the payment of the lender to him. Okay, because bank has taken the collateral for providing the bank guarantee. Okay, next, a NPCI umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement system in India is an initiative of. So NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India. It is an umbrella organization for operating the retail payments and settlement system in our country. So it is an initiative of RBI and Government of India, RBI and Indian Banks Association, RBI and NABARD, or only RBI. Which of the following has established the National Payment Corporation of India? A, B, C, or D? So we are getting the option B and D and A also. B, D and A, three options are coming. Okay. So right answer will be your Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association has started or established the National Payment Corporation of India in the year 2008. So NPCI is an umbrella organization for operating the retail payment system or settlement system in our country. So right answer will be your B. Okay, next. Which of the following para-banking activities cannot be undertaken by a bank or a subsidiary set up by a bank as per the current guidelines of RBI? So question is asking that which of the following para-banking activities cannot be undertaken by a bank or a subsidiary set up by the bank as per current guidelines of RBI? Is it insurance business? Is it portfolio management services? Is it investment in venture capital fund, or is it none of the above? Which of the following cannot be undertaken under the para banking? So what is a para banking? When the bank provides the extra facilities other than its day-to-day transaction to the customer, that is known as your para banking. It can be deposit, withdrawal, that's a day-to-day transaction. Apart from that, if the bank is providing insurance, credit card, debit card, locker facility, etc. services, any another service apart from day-to-day activity, that will be covered under the para banking. The right answer will be your none, because all the activities can be provided by the para banking. The right answer will be your D option, that is none. Okay, no, it's not B, it's not C, it will be D option, that is none. Because all the activities can be provided by the para banking, whether it is an insurance business, portfolio management service, investment in the venture capital, all will be provided by the para banking. Okay, next. The instrument that facilitate the purchase of goods and services against the value stored on these instruments are called. So the kind of instrument which helps us to purchase goods and services against the value stored on these instruments are known as debit cards, credit cards, prepaid instruments, all of the above. Which of the following is that particular instruments are? A, B, C, or D? Which of the following will be right? Like you have a value stored on these instruments and then you will be able to purchase or sell the goods. Purchase of goods and services. So eighth is D and C. Two options are coming. Acha, on no. The right answer will be your prepaid instruments. It can't be all of the above. It will be your prepaid instruments. Prepaid instruments are the instrument in which value is stored and you can purchase the goods and services from there. Okay, in the credit card, the value is not stored. That's the credit you are taking out from the bank. So right answer will be your all of the above is not the correct answer. Right answer will be your C, that is prepaid instrument. So prepaid payment instruments are the instrument in which value is already stored in your account, value is already stored in your instrument. You can directly use to purchase that particular goods or whatever goods or services you want to purchase. Right answer will be prepaid instrument. Next, CRR and SLR is calculated as the certain percentage of which of the following? The certain percentage of risk weighted asset, the certain percentage of net demand and time liability, the certain percentage of total demand and time liability, or the certain percentage of adjusted net bank credit. So the CRR and SLR will be calculated on which of the following value? So CRR stands for cash reserve ratio, SLR stands for statutory liquidity ratio. So which of the following will be correct? Ninth is B, maximum are going with the B option. Okay. So NDTL, it is net demand and time liability. CRR right now is 4.5% of NDTL and SLR is 18% of NDTL. So that is NDTL. Achha, whenever we are talking about the monetary policy, under the monetary policy, the percentage will be maintained as a percent of NDTL. In the monetary policy, you have to maintain the percentage of NDTL. In case of Basel norms, if we are talking about the Basel norms, the reserves will be maintained as a percentage of risk weighted asset always. In the risk weighted asset, you have to maintain under the Basel norms the reserves. And under the priority sector lending, when you are giving loan to the customer, loan to the particular priority sectors, the percentage of A and BC or CEOBE or CEOBE will be given whichever is higher. Out of that, whichever is higher will be provided for the PSL credit. Okay, now what is PSL? Priority sector lending. So as per the percentage of A and BC or CEOBE, whichever is higher, that percentage will be given in the loan. So do remember, in monetary policy you have to cover the NDTL percentage, in Basel the risk weighted asset, and in PSL the A and BC or CEOBE should be there, whichever is higher. Okay, now 10th question is talking about the lending and borrowing of funds between banks for 15 days to 1 year is called. TDTL is total demand and time liability. TDTL depends, full form is the total demand and time liability. When you are not subtracting the asset with the banking system, that will be total demand and time liability. Now, let me know the lending and borrowing of funds between the banks for 15 to 1 year is called reserve money, term money, notice money, call money. Okay, some are saying C, some are saying B. Okay. Right answer will be your term money. In case of call money, that will be overnight. Overnight means 1 day, 24 hours. In notice money, it will be 2 to 14 days. In term money, it will be 15 to 364 days. The right answer will be your term money. Right answer will be your term money. It is talking about for 15 days or 1 year. To 1 year. That was right answer will be your term money. B will be correct. No, not the C1. In the notice money, the duration will be 2 to 14 days only. In call money, overnight, it means 24 hours will be the duration. Now, let me know out of 10 questions, how many questions answer you have given correct. Let me know. Out of 10, how many answers you have given correct. And apart from that, right now, I have told you the prices are less. Biggest price drop is going on and this is the last day will to enroll in the biggest price drop prices of the product with the 81% off and with the double validity. So double validity will be available on any product. By using a code Y496, you will get 81% discount. plus the double validity, and at the time when the prices are at its lowest. Okay, so this is the offer which is going to valid for only for today till the 12 a.m. This offer will be valid. After that, this offer will not be valid. So if you were thinking about enrolling, you can enroll right now. Okay, and what is the difference between Mahapack and the different batches? Mahapack cover all live classes, recorded classes, e-books, test series, upcoming batches, the future forecast batches is going to be there. And also the old syllabus and new syllabus both will be available in the JIIB and CIIB ka Mahapack. So that will be beneficial for all of you. By paying around only 9,000 rupees or 9,500 rupees, you will be able to get the benefit of double validity plus everything will be available for the preparation. So to enroll, you have to click on the buy now. After clicking on the buy now, you have to apply a code Y496. You are facing here that 80% discount is going on. 1% will be available if you purchase from the Adda 24/7 application, and you will be able to purchase the product for only 9,500 rupees for the 24 months. If you want to go with the 6 plus 6 month validity, that is also available on the website. Okay, so do not forget to use the code Y496 and you will get the 81% discount here. And the score I am looking at the 587987. Okay, so maximum got the 7 score, 9 is the highest. Pratima, Arun, Praveen and Kamaljit got the 9, that is very good, and 7th is the lowest. Okay, so reserve money is known as M0. As we know, M1, M2, M3, M4 is there. Hana? So M0 is known as reserve money. That is the total liquidity available in the market with the public. That is the reserve money. Okay, Varsha? So let's end the session here. Before ending the session, if you like the session, do not forget to press the like button. Share the session with your Telegram channels and WhatsApp group so that all the other people will be joining us very soon. And last but not the least, if you are new to the standard session, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section.